Yeah, hello everyone. Namaste to all of you. Master Jay here. So welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga Academy. And if you are new onto this channel, please subscribe it for more updates about yoga. So welcome guys. Today I will teach you the sun salutation, different variation, and traditional sun salutation, and Ashtanga sun salutation A and the Ashtanga sun salutation B. So Surya Namaskar. आइए practice करते हैं. So first of all, just stand front of your mat. Keep your feet together, hands to the side of your hip. Keep your back straight and relax shoulder, look front. Samasthiti here. Eyes closed and slowly and deeply take inhale. Then exhale. Now raise your hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bend your back. Come back, inhale. Lift shoulder up, lift your spine up. Exhale, go lengthen and put your hand to the side of your feet. Then look down. Try to touch your chest to the thigh. Slowly, slowly go down. Now, look front. Put your right leg back. Inhale. Exhale. Look front. Now put your left leg back. Inhale. Exhale, come into the plank position, then look front, straight your leg there. Slowly drop knee, inhale. Exhale. Drop your chest, mid of your both palm and inhale. Look up, shoulder up. Exhale, now come into the downward facing dog. In the downward facing dog, straight your hand. Straight your leg, touch your feet to the floor and press your shoulder down, push your hip out, belly in, look up at your feet. Now, put your leg front, inhale and exhale, look front. Now put your left leg front, inhale, exhale, hold your ankle, look down. Look front, inhale, slowly raise your hands up, exhale, bend your back. Come back, inhale, and exhale, hands to the side. So this one is the traditional sun salutation. In this we have the 12 pose. So the next I will teach you the Ashtanga sun salutation A. So in this we have to take a jump also. For you will start with the Samasthiti, hands to the side of your hip. Take inhale, hands up, both palms together, look up. Exhale. Slow, slow, bend front, go lengthen, straight your leg, hand to the side of your feet. Now, bend your leg. Jump. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga. Chest up, inhale, shoulder down, straight your leg, and exhale. So here you have to come to the downward facing dog. Touch your feet to the floor, shoulder down. 5, 4, you have to hold it here now. 3, 4, 5 breath. 2, and 1. Now heels up, bend your knee, jump. Inhale and exhale. Look down. Now look front, hands up. Inhale, both palms together, and slowly exhale. Small splitting. Look up. Take inhale, exhale. So this one is the sun salutation A. So after sun salutation A, I will teach you the different sun salutation B. The same what with the different variation. So the same, stand into the Samasthiti, straight leg, feet together, hands to the side. So in this, in the beginning, bend your both legs, inhale, both hands up, palm together, look up. Exhale, straight leg, body slowly bend front and go down. Touch your forehead, on your leg. Now bend your leg and jump. Inhale, exhale. Chaturanga. Be strong. Now just lift your chest up, shoulder down. Don't touch your knee onto the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog and look down. So this time, right leg up, inhale and exhale. Put your right leg front, middle of your both palm and left heel down. Both feet same line, leg 90 degree, knee ankle same line, hands up, warrior one. Inhale, palm together and exhale, hands down. Now put your right leg back, inhale, plank and after chaturanga, exhale. Chest up, roll upward, look up, inhale and exhale. Very nice. So this time touch your feet to the floor again, press it. Now put the opposite side, left leg up, inhale and exhale. Left leg front. Right heel down, hands up. Inhale, look up and exhale. Hands down. Now put your left leg back, inhale and exhale, chaturanga. So the third time chaturanga this time. Chest up. Inhale, shoulder down, exhale. So here you have to hold it in the third downward facing dog. Stay here. 5, 4, shoulder down, 3, 2, 1. Heels up, bend your knee, jump. Inhale and exhale. Look down. This time look front, bend your knee, inhale, hands up and exhale. Relax your hands down. Take inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Just observe your body. Take inhale again and slowly exhale. Now both palm front of your chest, one time Om chanting. Inhale. Now rub your palm, make a heat. And place your both palm on your eyes, relax mind, your eyes. Very gently open your eyes and look up at your palm. So here, both hands down. So everyone, today we just did the sun salutation. So you can do it every day, you can practice it, and each round you can practice for the 5 times. So for the sun salutation basic, for the Ashtanga 1A and B, you can practice 5 times to make your body more slim, more strong and more energetic. So if you like my video, please comment and don't forget to subscribe Jai Yoga Academies. Thank you so much guys. See you to the next video. Hari Om. Namaste. Dhanyavad.